as politics and all that. Yeah, so it should be something that is significant, as I said. And then again, also, it should be something that is comparative. So what do we mean that we have to compare? Sometimes you fail voodoo, because also Malona might be voodoo. Yeah? Until to kunena in comparison with what another organization is doing. So you have to also tell them, okay, you are doing this for Manzana. Reducing my cost. Then you borrow from that particular one. Right? I would also believe that even with recording and all that, because that means someone must have seen this somewhere, and they have seen it that it was working and it is cost effective, and they decided to say, you know what, let's take this idea. Yeah. So sometimes also to understand the nature of the problems is for you also to try and fit yourself in another organization and also see what other people are doing. Okay. So that's what we're looking at as comparative. So comparative may mean that you have to have a benchmark. Yeah? Kind of benchmark, okay, you know, in an industry I invested, you must see that okay, but money that at all. I mean, what kind of benchmark? Yeah? So against that particular benchmark to say what is it that they're doing in terms of this. Okay? Yeah. So those are the issues that we are basically looking at. Right. So that's on diagnosing it. Yeah, then the other step, according to that diagram that you have drawn, the flow diagram I was talking about, is about planning and implementing change. So on planning and implementing change, we are going to look at how can the organization design different interventions on how we can bring about change in the organization. So we need to plan and implement these interventions. So some of the interventions, I'll just discuss this and we'll talk about it in the next class. So I'll just give you an overview. So some of the interventions that we're going to look at is number one, the human process intervention. The human process intervention. Technostructure interventions. Human resource management interventions. And the last one is the strategic change interventions. Yeah, so we'll talk about the human processes, their social dynamics, working in groups, and all that. Team building, those are to do with the what we are looking at as human process. Yes. Then we'll also talk about the technostructure, which is basically focusing on the structural designs issues of downsizing, organizational structures, and also we're looking at the human resource management intervention. So on the human resource management intervention, we'll talk about issues of performance management, again, developing talent in the organization, managing workforce diversity. Yeah, all those are basically human resource management interventions. Okay, so these are interventions that we can bring about also change in the organization. And the last one being the strategic change intervention, where we look at transformative change, we'll look at trans-organizational change, yeah, as the strategic change interventions. Okay, is that all right? Okay, so for today, let's pause.